Yep. What is infinity? Really, it can be a lot of things. It can be everything, something endless, or even a sideways 8. Maybe not the last one. But in reality, infinity is something much more complicated. Uh, Infinity could actually be something of multiple values. Imagine you had an infinitely large basket full of an infinite number of apples. Uh, and you had another infinitely large basket. You could take one apple out of the infinitely large basket full of apples, and the amount of apples wouldn't decrease. And then you could fill the other basket of apples with an infinite number, but yet the other one would still be completely full. But now you have two infinities. So infinity can grow and it can decrease. You can have infinity squared. You can have other things like that. Infinity isn't really a set value, and that's what makes it so strange. As I said previously, one of the possible definitions for infinity is everything. And as you can probably guess, 0 is nothing, and nothing is the opposite of everything. So, if you follow that train of thought, you could think that maybe 0 is the reciprocal of infinity. And among mathematicians, that is actually a popular theory. One proof for this theory is around the graph of y equals 1 over x squared. And at x equals 0, both of the lines seem to be going up, and they never quite meet. And one way to describe that could be that the very top of this graph is at y equals infinity. And if that's at x equals 0, y equals infinity, and y equals 1 over x squared, then you have y equals 1 over 0 squared, or y equals 1 over 0. And if we're assuming that y equals infinity in this case, then you have infinity equals 1 over 0, which could say that infinity is the reciprocal of 0, and therefore vice versa. Overall, well, mathematicians agree that infinity has an infinite number of possible values and an infinite number of different values all at once. Not much else is known for sure about the value of infinity, such as the plausible theory that I stated that the reciprocal of 0 is infinity, and it may never be known.